गोंयाक भारतांतले नंबर 1 वेडिंग डेस्टिनेशन करपा खातीर पर्यटन खातें रोखडेच वेडिंग डेस्टिनेशन धोरण गोंयांत लागू करपाचे आसात. हे धोरण तयार करपाचें काम चालू जाला. धोरण पास जाल्या उपरांत गोंयांत डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंगांचो आंकडो मोठ्या प्रमाणात वाडटलो, कारण डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग करतल्यांक खूब सोंपेपणां येतली अशी माहिती पर्यटन संचालक सुनील अचिपका हांणी दिल्या. फकत अमूक फी फारीक करून कोणूय बाकीच्या कटकटी शिवाय गोंयांत डेस्टिनेशन वेडिंग करपाक शकतले अशें तांणी सांगलें.
Goa Tourism Department is participating in GATB, where main theme is to promote India as a wedding destination. As part of this initiative, Goa Tourism Department also is preparing the draft Wedding Goa policy, and it is under preparation. So once it's laid out, then we'll inform to the media and other friends. So apart from that, we are know that Goa is a preferred destination for wedding, and many weddings are happening, and we are in the process of gathering information from various stakeholders, MICE tourism operators, all those things. So our objective is how to promote Goa as a destination wedding capital in India. Thank you.
What are the advantages of Goa for as a wedding destination?
Because we have our own strength is coastal area. So a lot of people wants to come over here and celebrate their weddings in beaches. So we want to leverage that existing thing, and our objective is to make it as a plug and play sort of thing. For example, whosoever wants to celebrate their wedding, they can pay the fee and they can celebrate, then they can without any hassles. So that's what we are trying to improve that thing.
So there will be less hassles for the people.
Yes, more we need to streamline the existing thing and simplify the entire process. That's how we are working, tourism department.
And also I think infrastructure, good 5-star hotels, so that is also an advantage for.
Yes, we have already existing infrastructure is good, so that's why so many people are also preferring. So we want to government under new policy, we want to improve the existing scenario.
So after that, you expect to get more business, more weddings.
Yes, that is expected. Is under once we formulate that, simplify the procedures, then we expect more number of weddings happening, and we will promote in a big manner to generate revenue for the state.
The main segment which is growing all across India is MICE plus weddings, that is meetings, incentives, conferences, exhibitions and weddings. And it is a good step to take. It's good that they're thinking along these lines. Lots of people are having more events, and Goa is ideally placed. I think the Prime Minister has made a call, asked more Indians to celebrate weddings in India, and so it's a good step. However, with weddings, there is an issue with licenses. If you're having an outdoor event, there are a lot of licenses. I think you need to start with, you need a fire NOC, you need PWD, you need electricity, you need beach clearance. If you're doing it on a CRZ clearance, you need tourism department. Then you might need a local body, and after that you go to the collector. So some of these licenses,
single window system.
yes, so they're like for film locations. Now you have an app through which you apply through SG1 window, and it goes to all departments, and departments revert. The CM has been very positive on this also. He's looking at how to do it, and we hope this logjam gets cleared for the industry.
सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट नीरज नायका सहित ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV.